little bit of change in scenery for the second ride. Dude, she's so calm right now. Now, I usually don't do this for a second ride. I usually plan it out a little bit better, and it's usually in the round pen. It's also usually during the day. So I've got to go get one of his bulls and one of his heifers. And I mean, I'm gonna take her with me because there's gonna be cattle on the trailer with her. And I mean, it's good exposure. So let's go.
So I'm not going to spend too much time on this part because it's just loading and unloading cattle, and I was pretty much just showing that she was tied to sit and watch all the chaos, which I think is great for a young horse to see all this going on right in front of her. So at this point, I had been riding her for about maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So just watch her move around because she took it really well. And I still have yet to introduce the bit because I didn't want to throw all this and that in the same night. So tomorrow or the next day, whenever I start her third ride, I'll introduce the snaffle bit. Now, today's day 8 of her being here, and the 5th day I've done anything with her, and you guys know she had a major issue with loading. She started out flipping over backwards on herself, and then she was just doing a lot of sitting back and everything, and she's really starting to load like she knows what's going on. She's super relaxed and super willing, and look at that, stepped right on. Even with those calves on the front cut.
With calves in the front cut, right?
So I forgot to film it, but we just run them two off of here, and now I'm fixing to load her back. Now that was the best she's loaded yet. A great way to end the night. See y'all next time when we introduce the snaffle bit.